What's good, everybody? Today we got some grant opportunities that cover, various different groups of people. We have some that cover everybody. We have some for minority-owned businesses. We have some for those of you dealing with NFTs, and I have a special one for you guys that are dealing with YouTube or have a YouTube channel. So stick around so that you can get that one. That one's pretty unique, and we're going to be talking about grants today. Now, if you're unfamiliar with grants are free money that you do not have to pay back that you can use for your business. All of these are small business grants. So these are things that you can use to help, grow your business, get your business to the next level. You can possibly, hire people with this to start, getting yourself out of doing the mundane tasks of your organization. You can use this towards getting a new location. So these grant funds usually have different areas that you can use the money, and different areas that these people that are awarding the grants are trying to actually help you with to grow your business. So, stick around so you can get all the details on these grants, and I'm gonna quickly breeze through them, just getting you the information so you can see where the money is and you can go and get it. Now, a lot of these grants have deadlines that are some very, very soon, like one is today, and others have deadlines that are coming up really quickly. So please don't, drag your feet when it comes to applying for these things. One case in point is this grant, which I was going to tell you guys about, which is the Capital One Business Grant. It is for Black-owned businesses, and as you can see, it's now closed. It just opened yesterday. So you can see how quickly some grant funds can run out of money because of the demand that is put out there towards the grant. And again, this was just opened yesterday, and already today they have closed the grant because of the response that they got to this opportunity. This was for a $10,000 grant. So one thing that you can still do for this grant, because I'm sure that they're going to reopen it, is you can get updates for future grant opportunities that they're going to have. So make sure you put your name and all your info in here and submit it so that you can be on the radar for when they actually do get it, and you can be one of the first people to know about it when they open it, and then you can be one of the first to apply so that you don't miss out on great opportunities like that one. But we're going to go ahead and get into the next grant opportunity, which is going to be from Barclays. So they are giving out a big grand prize of $60,000 to a few lucky winners. Well, I'm sorry, they have grants for a few lucky winners, and $60,000 is the cash prize. This is something that the deadline is actually at the end of today. So by 11:59 p.m. I believe it is when you have to actually apply for this one. So yes, that's going to be 11:59 Eastern time today, March 11th. So make sure that you are actually applying for this ASAP right now, and share this with anybody that you think might qualify for it. So that share this video so that they can see this information, and then you can actually try to jump on this before this money is gone. As you can see down here, they have 7 runner-up prizes of $5,000 in cash. They have $52,000 cash prize winners that they'll have. Third place $20,000, second place $40,000, first place $60,000 in cash. So of course you want to know who can enter this. The promotion is open to small businesses located in the U.S. that are owned by a U.S. legal resident of one of the 50 states or DC, and you have to be 18 years or older, and you have to have been in business or been operational and open for at least a year prior to or as of February 10, 2021. So the person that's submitting this application must also be the owner in whole or in part of the business described for the full 1 year prior to or as of February 10, 2021. So there are a few more eligibility requirements here that you can check out. But basically, if you're a U.S. business owner, this is for you. And if you've been in business for the amount of time that they require past, February 10, then that means of 2021, then that means that you are good to go for this. So make sure you check out the Barclays Small Business Big Wins grant so that you can try to see about getting this for your business. Now, on to the next business, which is going to be through Brookfield Properties Partner to Empower. Now, this one is for Black and minority-owned businesses. They're committed to partnering with, empowering, and providing resources for that community. So basically, they have invested, or they will invest $25 million throughout the 2025 period to help Black and minority business owners open a brick and mortar store. So basically, they're helping you get a storefront out there in one of their malls though. So Brookfield is a property management company, so they would be helping you get the funds that you need to open up a location, but it would have to be within one of their malls. So you also get, besides just the money, one-on-one business planning and guidance, networking opportunities and resources, funding dedicated to store construction expenses, and also a tailored 4-week retail workshop led by industry experts. So it doesn't get any better than that. Free money as well as free training. Now, this one opened up on the 16th of February. This one closes on March 18th. So you actually have a few days to take advantage of this. But if this sounds like you or something that you need, then make sure that you are applying for this ASAP. Now, I know you need to know if you're going to be in the area or one of the locations that they actually have. You can see here that they have their current participating properties. You can see the states here highlighted in gray, and they also have the actual locations in cities where they are, where you can actually apply for this or see if they have something available in your area. So do make sure that you check out this map, check out these locations, and if that applies to you, make sure you apply for this grant opportunity. Now, on to the next opportunity. This one is going to be with OpenSea. Now, this is in regards to NFTs. As you can see, OpenSea Ecosystem Grants seeks to empower creators, developers, and passionate community members working to enrich and expand the NFT ecosystem. So this is all about expanding and growing, or making better the NFT ecosystem. So it's dealing with, if you deal with usability and tooling, products and tooling that empower creators, improve user experience, community education, so resources to support the onboarding and educating of new users to help them make NFTs and Web3 more approachable, and also accessibility and inclusivity, creating a space where all individuals have access to the opportunity and promise of NFTs. So who can apply? A builder, founder, or creator passionate about advancing the NFT and Web3 space is encouraged to apply. So if that sounds like you and you're dealing with NFTs, and if you don't know what NFTs are, I recommend that you do some research into it, because it's a unique new thing which a lot of people are taking advantage of and actually making a lot of money with. So I would definitely do some research into that. But if you are actually working in that community, or you decide to after doing the research, then you can apply here for some grant money. Now, I didn't see an actual dollar amount on the grants, but you can always reach out to the program administrators with any questions that you might have in regards to these grant opportunities that you're seeing here today. And now we're going to talk about that grant opportunity, or the money opportunity, I should say, for those of you that are YouTube creators. Now, this is something that's new to me, and I'm just really finding out about it, but it's called Jelly Smack. So Jelly Smack is a place that is right now offering you money to get licensing to your YouTube videos that you've already created. So again, this is for people that are YouTube creators, this particular opportunity, what I'm mentioning here from Jelly Smack. So basically, have a very simple process. As you can see, just a few clicks away from seeing what your past YouTube videos are worth, Jelly Smack will offer a lump sum payment to license qualifying YouTube back catalogs for up to 5 years. Even better, the videos stay on your channel and you maintain ownership. Now, when they do the licensing of those videos, well, basically they're saying that they're gonna go up to 5 years of your YouTube video creation, and they're gonna give you a value that they think that they see from those videos that you've created, and basically they give you a lump sum of what they would value those for, and they will give that to you. And if you have a monetized channel, which of course you have to be, I'm assuming, to participate in this, if you want to take that money, you would have to also agree to allow them to take a certain percentage of your monetization money that you get on a monthly basis after receiving your funds. So what it looks like is they value your channel after you connect it, they look at it, value it, give you a lump sum, and then they're going to get the rights to a portion of your YouTube revenue for a certain period of time. And of course, they would present this to you, and you would have to accept or deny the offer. And I believe they'll use your content, they're licensing it so that they can use your content on their different channels or promotion methods that they have, because Jelly Smack is a company that really focuses on content creators coming to them in order to grow their channel and their following on different platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So they would take your current content, say from YouTube, and put it out on those different platforms, and then they would want want to receive a portion of the money that you would have received from monetization from those platforms. And that's my best understanding of it. Again, it is something that's new to me, but this particular offer right here is for you to get paid for your content, give them some licensing, and if the deal sounds sweet enough to you, take it, and then you would have to pay them a portion of your YouTube revenue for a period of time. Now, if this sounds interesting to you or something that you might want to look into, if you're a YouTuber, go ahead and leave a comment telling me if this sounds crazy to you, if this sounds like, something that sounds like a good idea to get the lump sum of money, just to give up your money for a short period, just to give up a portion of your YouTube revenue for a portion of time. I'm interested to know what you guys think about this in the comments. And just so you guys know, people that have used their services before are people as big as Mr. Beast on YouTube and a few other notable people, but they are definitely a legit company from what I've seen, but always do your own research on everything. But again, that's it for the free money opportunities today for grants for your business that you can use to grow your business and get to the next level in your business. If you found this information useful, make sure you hit the thumbs up to like the video and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you'll be notified anytime I put out a video just like this one.